All right, first thing you need to do is lift up on this cover to remove it.
Yeah.
There'll be 4 number 2 square screws that you'll have to remove. Set them to the side because you're going to use them to install your new light. Take your utility knife, cut around the silicone carefully so it separates, and then pull it off the wall. You're going to want a flat razor blade to scrape all this silicone off so looks clean when you apply your new silicone. Should have 2 wires coming out of the back of the light. You can just snip them. Strip no more than 3/8 of an inch of wire off the ends. Twist them till it's tight. Have your wire crimpers and your butt connector. Crimp it on the ends. You want to make sure there's no exposed wire hanging out of the connector. Grab your new light. Colors may not be the same, but if you go red to red and black to white, you're going to be fine. Got a red wire here. Got those crimped. You can hook your battery up and double check that it's working. Take and twist these wires a little bit. It's going to help you to tuck them inside of here. Set it back up and you can run it back into the same holes and clip your cover on and you'll be good to go.